Ever wonder how to write an unforgettable short film script with AI? Today, we'll dive into creating a story that grips your audience, all inspired by a real ChatGPT session. Let's explore these 5 steps, from brainstorming ideas to crafting a professional scene. Step 1. Concept development. First, I started with the basics, brainstorming concepts. Here's the prompt I used. Give me 3 unique and original ideas for a short film. The story should involve 2 characters and take place in a deserted city. It should be a doomsday survival theme, focusing on the character's struggle for food and shelter. ChatGPT responded with 3 intriguing stories: The Last Garden, Echoes of the Feast, and my personal favorite, Trading Shadows. Step 2. Logline creation. Next, I needed a compelling logline. To refine the story's core, I asked ChatGPT, what is the goal, their obstacle, and the stakes of story 3? From there, I crafted this logline. Write a compelling logline that outlines the protagonist's goal, their obstacle, and the stakes, all within 5 minutes. ChatGPT replied, in a desolate city haunted by unseen stalkers, a hardened scavenger and a wary survivor must navigate their mistrust and treacherous ruins to retrieve a hidden stash of supplies, where failure means starvation, betrayal, or falling prey to the shadows lurking in the dark. This sets the stage perfectly, highlighting the tension, stakes, and atmosphere of the film. Step 3. Plot structure. With the logline set, I needed a structured plot. I prompted ChatGPT for a 3-beat outline. Write a 3-beat outline. Beginning, setup, middle, conflict, end, resolution/twist for this logline. Here's the outline ChatGPT delivered. The city looms with danger. Cryptic messages on walls warn of unseen predators. They face chilling whispers, footprints in the dust, and flickering lights in the ruins. Their bond is tested when they narrowly escape a booby-trapped corridor. One of them is revealed to have been subtly sabotaging the other all along, suggesting that betrayal might still come, but survival trumps trust, for now. A perfect blend of suspense, conflict, and an unexpected twist. Step 4. Character development and dialogue. To make the story resonate, the characters needed depth. I prompted ChatGPT to flesh out the protagonists, develop the backstory, goal, and motivations of Rhea and Lucas. Write 5 lines of dialogue reflecting their personality and situation. Here's what I got: the backstory, goal, motivation of Rhea and Lucas. Also 5 lines of dialogue. These lines instantly bring the characters to life, showcasing their tension, personality, and evolving dynamic.
Awesome.
Step 5. Script formatting and final touches. Finally, it was time to craft a professional scene. I used this formula. Write a properly formatted scene including scene heading, action lines, character name, dialogue, transitions, and shot descriptions. Here's how it turned out. Abandoned building night. The faint glow of moonlight seeps through shattered windows, casting jagged patterns across the crumbling walls. Dust hangs in the air like a suffocating fog. And Lucas crouch in the dark corner of the building, backs against the cold, cracked concrete. Both are tense, their breathing barely audible as they scan the ruins for any signs of life. A close-up of Lucas' eyes reveals his desperation, darting nervously to every shadow that shifts in the gloom. Gruff, skeptical. Look, I don't care who you were before the world ended, teacher. You pull your weight, or I'll leave you in the dirt. Lucas, nervously witty. Yeah, sure. Because what this apocalypse really needs is more trust issues. Great leadership skills, by the way. A distant metallic clang echoes through the silence. Both freeze, exchanging wary glances. Ria's hand instinctively moves to the knife strapped to her belt. Close up on Ria's tightened grip, knuckles white against the blade's worn handle. You hear that? Fade out. The scene captures the tension and dynamic between the characters perfectly while immersing viewers in the post-apocalyptic atmosphere. And that's how ChatGPT can help you write a short film script from scratch. From brainstorming ideas to crafting compelling dialogue and professional scenes, it's a tool every storyteller should try. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What kind of story will you create with ChatGPT? Let us know in the comments.